Welcome everybody. Hi, I'm Claudia.
And I'm Tony.
Thank you so much for opening this video today. We're in Jamaica and we are in Lacovia, St. Elizabeth. Tony having memories?
Memories?
Well, we're just at the Jamaica Zoo and
I wonder if the zoo's open.
I wonder if the zoo is open again, Probably not yet. Or should be opening up now.
Why can't you social distance in a zoo?
I don't know. The one in Kingston is open now. So ladies and gentlemen, we're going to Palmbrook Estates. A lot of you should be familiar with Palmbrook Estate. Housing development that features lots, quarter-acre lots up to about a half-acre lot. And this is it coming up on my right. Go straight. The entrance is actually down there. Lacovia, St. Elizabeth. This will be home to some of you because you heeded the call and you bought these lots anywhere between 2.5 and 3.5. Well, ladies and gentlemen, I have one for sale. But guess what? The price gone up. All right, everybody. So the lot being sold is lot 123. Look on the video, you'll see the price. As you can see, Palmbrook Estate is well kept. Landscaped. To my left will be the commercial. And the lots actually start on the right, going all the way. You can drive a little faster. Foster is used to me telling him, slow down, slow down, slow down. Is it the first right, Tony?
This right.
So we're going to make the first right.
No, this is the third right. Good.
It's the third right.
Yeah.
Okay, because we're knowing here so well. So this is the third right, actually, everybody. When you come into the scheme, you're going to make the third right turn to pass security. Third right turn. I think I see some palm trees at the corner. And then you will make the second left turn. So we're going to look for this land. Remember, everybody, to join me on YouTube Live Sundays at between 3 to 5 p.m. where we talk about real estate, money, and wealth. You know, it's all about land banking. And first, you're passing the second left. Don't want you to make a sharp turn now. I want you to focus. So we're going to where, Tony?
Keep straight.
Keep
then
straight.
It's in the dead end.
And this lot is in the dead end, she tells me.
Or the bend, I should say.
Bend to the left, bend to the right. It's bending to the
right.
left, all right.
Do we start seeing numbers?
Not yet.
Yeah, 112.
So, trees.
Look at the numbers on the right.
Numbers on the right. So 115, 116. Go ahead. 117, 118, 119. Numbers rub off. 120, 121, 122. Going that way. Here it is. 123. This is a lot. 123. All right, everybody. So we're just going to drive around a little and show you in here. So this is phase 2 or phase 3? I think this is phase 2. All right. Second left, but this may actually be the first. Oh, see one house there. persons have started building and they have started clearing their lots to build. See another house here that has started. This one on the corner, shaping up to be very nice. Go straight. Another one in the cul-de-sac, shaping up to be very nice. Where? In that one, somebody lives in that one. Oh, when we came here, we went straight down. Alright, so I'm going to go left. Alright, so straight ahead of me will be the football field. As a matter of fact, they have started grass in the football field already. And it should also be the home to the swimming pool and the clubhouse. I see this person that they have actually started to do their construction. 2 houses going up right here. Those of you who heeded the call and bought properties in Palmbrook Estates, you can ask me to resell. Yes, we're reselling these already. Continue straight around. So I'm out of phase 2. I'm now into phase 3. Slow down. You're gonna make a left turn here. Alright, somebody else coming up there in the corner. Seeing blocks, more foundations, houses going up. So Palmbrook already comes with electricity, water. I'm trying to see if there's cable. Not yet. Left and right, people doing construction. Wow, that's what I love to see. But guys, you need to put your sand and gravel and so on onto the lands. Don't put them on the roads. Stop. Here's the sign. I don't want you damaging the roads. So you need to put your sand and gravel on the land. You're on a 1/4 acre of land. Keep it on the land, right? Don't damage the roads. Palmbrook have given us good roads. Yeah, but you tell up that sign.
I'm gonna take it up. Yeah, take it up.
This one is sold already. So I'm at lot, is it 77? 77. So this one was already, I already resold this one. For those of you who bought a lot in Palmbrook, you want me to resell it, let me know. So that one was lot 77. So I also had bought a lot in Palmbrook. And I have already resold it, everybody. Yes, so you know I'm an investor, right? So I wouldn't really hold on to a Palmbrook for very long. For those of you who bought it to build your house and live, very beautiful place. It's going to be very, very, very pretty, for want of a better word, when everybody has come in and built. Slow down. Is a container. They're really going to live here. You like it? At least they're going to live here until they finish building, right? So everybody's building. Proceed. I'm a bit turned around, but I'm not sure where I am now. The house going up on the corner. So we're in this is phase 3. As you can see, everybody's building. So if you want me to resell your lot, you're going to pick up the phone and call me. Resell. You might want to, like me, you want to probably resell and just take that money and get into another real estate opportunity, right? Because that's what you do. Once you have the money in the real estate, do not take it out and buy a car. or take it out and pay the school fee. And what else? What else am I always using money for? Your school fee. No. You can take short-term loans for that. So don't take out the real estate and do those things, right? So if you sell your property, you're going to put it back into real estate. Alright, everybody. So I'm going back now to the land, if I can remember where I was. You came out in front of the football field. So it is the next right turn.
Just continue down, but the right turn.
And they're good builders. So building, you don't have to be afraid of building, everybody. Although I can tell you, steel prices moved from 85,000 all the way to 172,000 per ton now. So those of you who have not been able to jump out of the blocks to get your building going, you're going to have a price increase.